Hey guys, so I'm just going to go over some basic nomenclature. There really isn't a point for me to go through all these different ones like in really detail. Yeah, I'm just going to go over this to give you some basic idea. Because really for this you just need to practice. You just need to go through it and give some practice and do your homework. Really, you'll be fine. After time, you'll pick it up, and with more and more practice, then you'll have it down. So basically, you have your regular ions. You have a plus charge and you have a negative charge. You lost an electron, you gained an electron, right? Plus charge is cation, negative charge, anion. Simple enough, you just have to memorize it. Now, these here are transition metals. These are the ones in the middle of the periodic table. And these here can have different charges. It can have a plus and a 2 plus. There's some that could have like maybe 2-3 different charges, right? So then the way that you denote this is calling this iron 1 ion, iron 2 ion. These here, if you just say fluoride or lithium ion, it is convention that you know that it's plus and negative, because these are the only ones that it can form. It can only lose one or gain one. These can lose more than one, or it can lose more than one. It could make more than one different ion. So there's the ambiguity for these. So that's why you have to name it specifically. Now you have these which are called polyatomic ions, meaning you have more than one atom and it's an ion. Okay, so here you have a chlorine, and you have an oxygen. Okay, and it's an ion, as you can see. Now, the more oxygens you have, the less oxygens. You see, this one's 1, 2, 3, 4 number of oxygens. Now, the convention is, which is really an ambiguous one, I didn't really like it, was the most natural one is going to be called the whatever it is. In this case, it's chlorine. So it's chlor 8. 8 is the suffix for the most common one. Okay? One less than the most common one is ite. Okay? One more than the most common one is perchlorate. Two less than the most common one is hypochlorite. Alright? Some of these don't even have all four. Some of these only have one less, or maybe like one more. Like for example, nitrate is NO3. Nitrite is NO2. And both of those are negative. Just one negative. It's just you have to memorize them and you have to practice them. Like it said, it's very ambiguous. You just have to look at them up in the book and memorize them. Like I said, there's not much point to me writing them all out, right? Because even if I say them to you, there's no point. You have to memorize them. So really my recommendation, this one is do your homework. Alright, take care guys. Good luck.